Are there any activities that I can use it at home can help him? Yes, there are many. I will show you each one. This is the second sensory bin. I created using rice. Let's open it and see. It's very colorful and interesting. I added food color just in case if the child put it in his mouth. We have orange, green, blue, regular color is white, and red. We can add some materials. I added some tools so the child can enjoy it. We can take these out and use it with different sensory material. This kind of cereal also, you can add it. Still, you can use these tools and cups here for the child to play with. This helps the child with fine motor skills as well and teach him how to use the spoon to feed himself. We can add some fruits and vegetables. We have apple, we have banana, we have grape, strawberry, carrot, pear, and this is the way we use it. You can ask the child to match them. Can we do these together? No, these are different. Where is the other piece of the apple? I have a question. How these activities will help the child doesn't follow directions, doesn't talk? Children with sensory, they don't use their sense as we do. They don't look and see items or objects as we do. They don't hear words. They don't follow directions. The loud sound, it bothers them. The lights also bother them. Working with their sensory and using these sensory activities will help them regulate their sensory and will improve them a lot. I hope you like it and use it with your child at home. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Bye, Miss.